Hey, what a difference a week makes, huh? Look at how nice everything's growing. The tomatoes are 2, 3 times as high as they were a week ago. The beans are filling in already. This is the Everyday Man. It's my weekly review of the garden. This week, you can see not much weeding has to be going on. There's a little bit of weeding there and just a little bit over there. I'm going to show you that tool real quick. It'll only take a minute in case you missed it last week. So for now, I'm not going to bother running the rototiller through it again. It doesn't need it. But if you can see some of this, like right here, look at that. That's it, done. What we wanted to do today is put the tomato cages on. All I do is center it around the plant. Pretty obvious. And I like to get that down there good and deep. The deeper you go, the stronger the cage will be. You see the way these are curled in like this? I don't like that. I like to pull them out, bend them out so they're further apart from each other. Then they go straight in. There you go, that looks like a good row, huh? Next week, I'm gonna start putting down fertilizer. All right, well, that's the update for this week. And it's the Everyday Man saying thanks for watching, as always.